Hello everyone, this is Asim and welcome to my channel Syntax Error. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install brackets and set it up for web development. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first thing we have to do is we have to download a WAMP server. So we'll go to a browser and type WAMP. Okay, this is the official site. Downloads and start using WAMP server. So you have to download according to your system. Okay, mine is 64-bit, so I'm downloading for 64-bit. If yours is 32-bit, please download for 32-bit. Okay, you have to click your direct download. And the download will start automatically. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I'll just cancel this. Okay, the second thing we required is brackets. You have to type brackets, and this is the official site. Click on download brackets. And the same thing, we'll start downloading. So I've already downloaded both the files. Let me show you. Okay, so first we'll install WAMP server. One quick note on this. Okay, before installing WAMP server, what you all have to make sure is that these things are installed on your computer or a laptop. Microsoft Visual Studio C++ 2005, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 17. Because if these things are not installed, you're going to get errors and the WAMP server won't get installed properly and the servers won't be running on your PC or laptop. So you have to make sure that things are installed. Okay, let's head over to installation. Okay, I accept. Next, 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 install. So it's asking for your default browser. If you want to change, you can change. Like I want my default browser to be Chrome, so I say yes. Go in program, Google Chrome, open. So text editor, I'll let it be like that only. Notepad, no. Next, finish. So as you all can see, the installation is done and we have successfully installed WAMP server. So I would like to tell you all one thing. If you get any errors installing the latest version of WAMP, please do restart after installing. Okay, and make sure the things are installed which I told you earlier. Now we have to do is we have to add PHP in a system variable. So the same thing we'll go to this PC, right click on it, properties, advanced system settings, environment variable. So I personally put all my paths in user variables and not in system variables, just because I feel like I should be distributing all the things equally, right? Why to give all the tension in once? So you can do the same thing, or else you can put in the system variables. You can do the same thing only if you are the only user of your PC or your computer. So click on path, go edit, new, browse, go to this PC where the WAMP is installed. Okay, local WAMP 64, go in bin, PHP and the latest one. Just click OK, 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 and OK. So now let us check if the system is recognizing PHP or not. So I am going to open my command prompt, write PHP space -v, and PHP is being recognized by the system. So I will let you all know why we have added PHP in our system variables, but let us first install brackets. So let's open the file, double click. So the reason we have added PHP in a system variable is so that we can do linting. There's an extension called PHP Code Quality Tool which help us to do linting, but it requires us to add PHP in a system variable. Okay. So brackets is installed successfully. Good. Okay, so let's open brackets. Allow access, and yeah, we are done. Okay, wait, we are not done. Okay, but we are almost done. Let me show you some extension you can download and install. Okay, so let me close this, click here. Okay, here are the available extensions, or you can search for one. I'll show you some of the useful extension which are useful for everyone, every web developer. There is HTML skeleton, brackets icon, then there is PHP code quality tool, very useful for this backend people. Beautify to keep your code beautiful, auto prefix, and there are many to choose. Okay, so whichever you like you can keep, you can download and install and uninstall. It's a very easy process. Okay, you can just go open brackets, download and install all different types of extensions, whichever you prefer. Okay, play around with things, get to know things. Okay, so let me write a small code and run it for y'all. Okay, so open folder. Okay, and one quick note here, you just have to save all your files in WAM folder under www. Okay, this is a quick note, you should save all your files over here only. So I'll go and I'll create a folder. Select. Okay, file, new file. I'm going to write a PHP code. PHP echo hello world. Close and save it as hello.php. So let us go and see if it's working or not. So now let us start WAM server, or else the PHP won't work. Okay, so one thing to remind, like if you are installing a WAM server latest version, make sure all the servers are running. I have noticed that some of the servers are not running and you have to manually start them. So make sure all the servers are running and then only go in your local disk, local server, and try to open your file. Actually I had got some error in my code. Let me fix this. Okay, so our server is running. Let us open a browser, new tab, and type localhost, the folder name in which our file is, and the file name. So our code is successfully executed without any errors. So guys, these are the names. Okay, you should be downloading. This is a must for every web developer. That's all guys. I hope you all liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and families. If you got any questions, please comment down below and I'll try to solve them. Have a good day and happy programming. Thank you.